All right, it's June 25th out at Robotics. Mitch Tolson here, showing off a demo of our prototype Palletizer. As you see there, we have a prototype end effector, not a final design. Right now, the robot is doing its homing sequence. Now it's going to begin palletizing pallet B, which is the right side pallet. This is a dual pallet system. We have David over here operating a manual pneumatic switch. We'll have this connected autonomously later. That switch is just actuating the pneumatic suction. And what the passive roller bed conveyor is receiving from is a top taper system that seals the top of the box, closes and seals. This particular stacking design is that of what's being asked of our customer. In this particular application, we have about 50 seconds for a full stack cycle. We can get up to 13 boxes per minute at full speed, theoretically. I think you actuated that slightly too late. Just going to adjust it here because of the late pull.
Because you can actually have it, so like right now this position is within functions. And you could supposedly set a safety region.
Can you feed it 2 more boxes somewhere?
Or if we buy something for set, that's a little less wire. And usually the safety system, actually I kind of like that idea. If we have that sort of operators from a issue we want. That one is terrible.
Just so we can see a complete layer. Oh, need to adjust that. There's a fully loaded box right here. The others were empty. This one's loaded with parts. Oh. And so if there's a collision that occurs, that's what would happen in this event. We're making good progress. Still some more development and bugs to work through.